Hey everyone, welcome back to the Small Health Channel. Today we're diving into a delicious topic that's perfect for anyone looking to munch smarter, healthy snacking ideas. Whether you're at work, home, or on the go, we've got you covered with tasty treats that won't derail your health goals. So, let's snack smart. The importance of healthy snacking. First things first, why should we focus on healthy snacks? Well, snacking can actually be a fantastic way to keep your energy levels up and satisfy those midday cravings. But not all snacks are created equal. Choosing nutritious options can help you maintain your weight, improve your mood, and boost your overall health. So let's explore some fun and easy ideas. Healthy snack ideas. All right, here are some simple yet delicious healthy snacks that you can try out today. First, Greek yogurt and berries. Our first snack is Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries. It's packed with protein and antioxidants. Just grab a cup of yogurt, add a handful of your favorite berries, and you're good to go. Second, veggies and hummus. Next, we have crunchy veggies with hummus. Carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers are perfect for dipping into creamy hummus. This combo is not only tasty, but also full of fiber. Third, nut butter and apple slices. How about some apple slices with nut butter? This snack is a fantastic blend of sweet and savory, plus it gives you a boost of healthy fats and fiber. Just slice up an apple and spread on some almond or peanut butter. Fourth, air-popped popcorn. Popcorn lovers, rejoice! Air-popped popcorn is a great low-calorie snack. Sprinkle it with your favorite herbs or a bit of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the cheese. This keeps the hunger and the chocolate away. Fifth, trail mix. Finally, we have homemade trail mix. Mix together your favorite nuts, seeds, and a few dark chocolate chips for a sweet and satisfying snack. Just remember to watch your portions, as it's easy to go overboard. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for healthy snacking. Plan ahead. Prepare your snacks in advance to avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. Portion control. Use small containers to help manage portion sizes. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, so drink water before reaching for a snack. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these healthy snacking ideas helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking.